What?
To open the first gift, right?
Rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah.
And you gotta pass them the gift.
Yeah, I'm gonna pass you your gift.
So who gonna do paper, rock, scissors first?
Me.
So I think the two.
What about the finals should have get best of three?
The two oldest first? Or two youngest?
The finals should get best of three.
Yeah.
Okay, come over here. Tamara and Junior. Up back there.
You gotta do to open the first present?
Right there, yeah. Paper, rock.
Yeah.
Turn around. Open it.
Mom, this not mine.
How do you know? You didn't wrap the gifts.
Right, open your gift.
Open the gift.
The shirt.
What is that?
No, wait.
Oh, you got a shirt, bro.
What size do it say? What size do it say?
No.
What it look like, Jerry?
Sit down. Please. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Who won?
If you come this way.
You're not gonna be here.
Okay.
I got to this other one.
Go ahead.
No,
Don't open it. Don't open it.
You gotta see what it is right there.
Okay. Now it's Travell and Tanaya.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Travell. Okay. Paper, rock, scissors.
Who won?
Let's go. It's a kids. Okay, Tamaya.
I like the first.
Okay, sit down. It's Tamaya. No, go ahead and open it. Open it, girl.
You don't listen.
No. Who's a Jackie?
Okay, we got a confession to make, y'all. Y'all just open each other gifts.
Bro, I
That's just the first gift. That's just the first gift. So tonight, Tamaya, you exchange with Tanaya.
Let's go.
And Travell's exchange.
The smallest gifts first.
Yeah, go ahead.
That's not the smallest gift.
Yeah. What is that?
So Sakoa.
His voice like that.
What is it?
So Sakoa.
What is it? Solo.
Yeah.
All right, then. You like it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Next. Okay.
What is that?
I don't know. We have to see.
What that is.
What's this?
What is that?
Oh!
What's that?
It's a trimmer.
Oh.
Okay, I can do a whole line now.
Travell. Smallest. Yours is Baby Yola. It's Baby Yola. Baby Yola. Baby Yola. Smallest gift is right at the top. Yep.
What is
Come
that?
on, make it quick.
Oh my gosh!
What is it?
A seashell necklace. A seashell necklace.
Seashell.
A seashell.
Okay. All right, Tamaya.
This is skirt,
I don't know.
jacket, t-shirt.
Okay, sit down. Next. Come on, let's see.
Flight! Whoa! Oh my gosh, chat! A black.
Guys! Oh, I want
What?
What was those?
to.
A spider!
Jordans and Travell.
Let me
Jordan
see.
4s.
The same Jordan 4s. The same Jordan 4s.
Okay.
Let's go, chat.
Wait. Ain't no way.
Girl, oh my god, yes, wait.
What? Hold on, bro.
Got the pink one.
I got the pink Jordan 4s, bro! Bro!
The last gift, last but not least.
Okay.
Last gift.
The ring!
Junior, you have to pick it up.
The ring! Where did Tanaya
So
know?
you broke yours.
Yes! Got the ring!
You broke his.
It's looking like a what?
Pin.
Oh, it's talk.
That's my favorite one.
I got some shoes. I don't know what those. I don't know what these shoes are. I think those are the Jordans, the Thunder something.
Just come on, man.
Okay.
And you take it all day. What's in the other?
So Nikes. I got Nike boots.
For the snow day.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm like,
Let's get it.
What you got? I can't see.
alright, let's go. Grandma house.
You know what I did that? Because you gotta go.
I got screenshots and bunch of closer to my God. Ooh, wait, hold up. What type of screenshot is it?
Go ahead.
Huh? Another one?
You got one another one?
Girl, open the thing.
Mama got y'all a little extra gift.
For real? Did she really deserve it?
She don't. She got a bad report card, so she not. Y'all not basic. You and Junior is not finna just have fun with these Christmas gifts because y'all report card is bad. We just let y'all open them so that y'all get some enjoyment until y'all start improving in school. Get them grades up. Baby boy, baby girl.
Period.
Get that right.
One more gift.
Yes!
Wait! Sit back.
Yes!
Tamaya,
Okay, I hope I get me out to you.
Junior,
Yes!
Tanaya,
Thank you.
and Sherelle.
Yes! You got another one! Thank you, Wendy!
Thank you!
And what'd you say?
Merry
Christmas!
And today we'll be doing Wendy's mukbang.
Yay!
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, I'm here. I don't care.
Let's get started.
Okay, you guys.
I'm sticking out your Shakespeare.
I don't got a straw. Let me use a straw.
No.
Let me use the other side.
Stop, no.
Let me use a straw, bro.
What happened to your straw? Man, you have any
Dang,
other
bro.
straws in there?
Why I put this much lettuce in my stuff?
He took 2 straws. He had one up and he had one.
Why you put all this lettuce in my...
Hey, it comes with lettuce
Dang, they got a
tonight.
lot of lettuce on
They
mine
made me
too.
look like a vegan.
Well, maybe y'all need more lettuce. It's
I
not
got
good to have
bacon.
more vegetables.
Mine got bacon.
We've been eating a lot of vegetables.
Mine got the bacon.
A lot.
Okay,
Ma-
it's a bacon cheese burger,
Burger.
Junior.
Yeah. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. You have to thank me. Would you thank Wendy's if they see in this video?
Thank you,
I guess
Wendy.
we sponsoring Wendy's.
I don't think Wendy's is sponsored. But they probably like the review. If you guys do a review.
Guys, I eat 2 ugly
need
chicken
water.
nuggets.
You got juice.
I'm full.
I need a straw.
Ask your dad.
One more.
Babe, you have a straw in there? A straw. Tonight I need a straw. She don't have a straw for a drink.
My stuff like that.
No, I don't know. Tonight is missing one.
Okay, I can just drink it like this.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, that's
Oh,
good.
beautiful.
I don't even think that's a Wendy's straw.
Nope.
Why are you drinking my... Could you mute that TV? Please? Oh my goodness. What happened to you about to stuff all those fries, Tanaya? Why you covering your mouth?
Okay, that's cool.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
I got that with my chicken nuggets.
I asked you a question, but that mean you have to answer.
Huh? What's the question?
No talking with your mouth full. I'm just talking.
Stop!
Eat, please.
I need extra range. Don't got extra range, you ain't getting it.
How do y'all rate Wendy's?
6 out of 10.
Okay, how do you rate the burger? 1 through 10.
10 about.
Tanaya,
10,
Tamaya,
10.
Junior. Then okay, first Travell. What do you rate the burger from Wendy's?
5 out of 10. It's small, not big enough. It seemed like the flavor is a bit bitter. And yes, it doesn't taste right to me. Maybe it's not that type of flavor.
Maybe because you just used to McDonald's.
Look.
Nah, I'd rather eat Cops.
Well, how do you rate the nuggets?
I rate the nuggets 8 out of 10. It's spicy and it got a couple.
Those are the
seasonings.
spicy nuggets. What do you rate the fries?
7 out of 10.
Okay, what
It's
about
big.
you didn't
Like
even
it.
drink your lemonade yet, so I'm gonna come back to you.
No.
Junior, where do you rate your burger?
10 out of 10.
Okay, what do you rate your nuggets? Bless you.
Burger.
9 out of 10.
What do you rate your fries?
8 out of 10.
Okay, what do you think about your Junior, what do you rate your drink?
10 out of 10.
Okay, Tamaya, what do you rate your burger?
7.
Okay, your nuggets,
9.
fries.
I would say 7.
Okay, what about the drink?
10.
Okay, Tanaya, burger,
I rate the burger as 7 or 5.
nuggets,
Nuggets, I rate that at 8.
fries,
3.
drink.
I'll say it at 6.
Okay, so why did you rate your stuff the way you rated it?
The fried not seasoned.
Fries not seasoned?
No.
You would like to be a seasoned
It's
a little
not.
bit more? Shh. I'm asking Tanaya. So you would like them to be seasoned a little more? Okay, what about the nuggets?
Nuggets good.
Okay, so the burger, what did you like about the
It
burger?
was, it was in the middle. It was like 5 and 7. I'll say 6.5.
6.5. So what would you like to be better on the burger?
Not too much lettuce
Not too much lettuce?
and have it bigger.
Okay, what about you, Tamaya? What do you rate your, why did you rate your burger, fries, and nuggets and drink the way you did? Like, what difference did you want it to change? Did you want the burger to be
The burger need more seasoning.
more seasoned
And you need another patty.
for a double bacon burger?
And the salad was too big.
The salad,
Only thing you
they
could
put
take-
more salad than more meat?
Mhm.
Okay, so what do you think about the nuggets?
Nuggets was good.
Okay, so the fries.
I'm gonna try one. Like the fries, like it's kind of good. Like it's like in the middle, but like it didn't beat McDonald's fries at all.
Okay, so your drink, it was good? Okay, Junior, why did you rate your food the way you rated it? Did you think it needed anything improved, or it was just fine to you?
Everything improved.
Everything is good, so nothing needs to be improved? Did you want them to have more meat on the burger, or how did you want the burger?
I like the cheese. I like the lettuce and the burger and the meat.
So you just like all of it, right?
Yeah. And
Okay.
tomatoes.
There you go, the Wendy's Christmas review. Hi guys, today we will be playing the matching juice game. And how it goes is
Each kid will get a chance to pick. Wait, is
match.
it match
You have
a
to
juice
match the juice on the right juice that's on the bottom.
in order to win some money.
Yeah, so whatever one they landed on and is correct, they get the money that's in front of it. And good luck to you guys.
Thank you.
Wish you the best. Good luck. All right, go ahead, Junior. Make the first match.
Okay.
Hurry. Nope. And go to turn around to my turn. Come on, stop laughing. Come on. Come on, don't look at that.
I'm not giving no answers.
Close your eyes, babe. Cause you give it eyeballs.
No, I'm just watching.
Come on. You take it too long to
Right,
make a
take it too
decision.
You get 5 seconds.
Let go. You supposed to let
You didn't even
go.
put it in
Nope.
front of nothing.
Nope. She put it right there. Nope.
Right, so then you are
Nope.
lost. You didn't put it in front of nothing.
Nope. It's in the line. It's right there lined up with the money. So no.
Nope.
Put it back. Come on, Tanaya. Your turn.
Yeah.
Nope. Turn around. Turn around. Tamaya cheated.
She cheated.
She
bro.
cheated. She sure did. Nope.
Jared, go ahead.
Yay.
Yep.
Yes!
Take it. Yep. Keep it. Keep it. Okay.
Keep going.
Go, Junior. Nope.
She cheating.
Nope. Turn around. Y'all cheating. I'm finna stop the game now.
Right. This game,
Go ahead. Go, Tamaya.
They ain't even trying to play fair.
They not.
Why you trying to play fair?
No. Stop. Go. Could y'all stop raising your hand, please, and stop cheating?
You can't keep changing.
No, you can't. You only pick one up. That's one, and you have to make your move. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Come on, there you go. Let's go. Which kind is that?
Orange, pineapple.
Nope.
Wait, orange
not it.
pineapple?
That's not it. Just said it's not it.
You're looking. You're looking.
That is.
It's not.
That's not it.
That's it.
Go ahead, Travell. Come on. 5, 4. Which kind is that? Turn it around. Turn it around.
Mango pie.
Nope.
Nope.
Next, Junior.
I swear if he gets this right, he cheated.
5, 4. Nope.
I think you're gonna get this one.
5, 5, 4, 3. Yep.
Nope.
That's true. That
Oh,
is.
that is right. That's right. That's right. My bad.
That's true.
Is it yours?
Okay, go. You gotta go again, Tamaya. Don't you supposed to go
Wait,
again?
you didn't give it.
She gotta go again.
You didn't let
One.
Yes, he did. Turn around, you cheater.
Nope. Okay.
You're cheating. He was looking around the whole time.
Junior, turn around.
I'm tired of him.
Come on. Come on now. 5,
Wait.
4. Nope. Come on, Junior. Travell. Move quick. 5. Nope.
Nope.
Let's go.
Turn around. Let's go, Junior.
Let's go.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Turn around. Okay, go ahead, Junior. Go again.
Yeah.
Nope.
No.
Bro.
That was green.
Yeah.
Okay.
Congratulations, Joy.
Thank you.
1.
Nope.
I
Nope.
don't win this for you tomorrow.
Go, Tanaya.
Shout.
Go, Tanaya. Tanaya Travell didn't win nothing yet.
Or Femo. Oh, Femo.
Fat Mama did it. Nope.
Nope.
Don't do that, Tanaya, or you're gonna force. You're gonna force.
That's not for me.
Stop doing that,
That's
guys.
Junior. I'm gonna take the money from him.
Jay, that should make you wanna. Tamaya, Junior, stop. Go ahead, Travell. Nope. Let me fix the money.
I'm trying to at least get 120. If I don't get 120, I'm choking.
Come on.
Come on, Jay.
Come on, 1. Nope. Why did you talking about some? Come on.
Points for that.
Green got 20.
5. Nope. Come on. 5.
Oh,
Turn back around. Tamaya, you need to start moving fast enough. Come on, Tanaya.
Wait.
Yep. It's too late. You already took your hand off. Once it's off, then you got it right anyway.
You should just let it go on.
Go ahead. Get the 20. Okay, you go again.
You spoke too soon.
But she took her hand off. Once you take your hand off, that means that you dropped it. I'm not going to cheat like that because that's cheating.
You ain't sure.
Yep. Nope. Travell, your turn.
You weren't supposed to turn around.
You sure wasn't. Turn back around. Travell, you got one opportunity left. It's only 120, dude. Come on. One guess.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. 5, 4. Nope.
Yes, go.
Turn around. Dream, you on it.
He was. Now he knows.
You was, we got.
We skipping you, Dream, because you wasn't turning around. Come on, Tamaya.
I'm not looking.
No.
No, she didn't even take her hand off.
It don't matter. She put it up there.
Okay. Well, you might as well just put it back up there with your hand off. Well, that's okay.
When you
Yeah,
put it up
go
there,
ahead, take it off. Nope, that's not right.
Which one,
Go ahead, Tanaya. Nope. Put it back. Turn back around. Go ahead, Travell.
I feel like.
No.
Nope. Turn back around. Go, Junior.
That's only 3 streets up there.
Yep.
Yeah.
I did that one. Wait.
No, you did not.
What was my money put up?
Are you guys happy to have what you got, or are you
Yeah, I'm happy.
I won.
you grateful? Travell
Yeah, I'm
has
grateful.
nothing.
Yes, I
Do
They
you?
keep flexing, bro.
Travell,
got.
Travell, you gonna bounce back.
I'm psychic.
We're gonna play again.
Yes.
You cheated, little
Get
boy.
back in the camera.
Yes, let's play again. I like to play again. I like games.
Come on, we're gonna do the sipping
Why
one
you
next.
was
Come on.
Like that.
Yeah, I'm the winner. I'm the
So
winner.
everyone match. It matches.
Yeah, give me my money.
Yeah, it matches.
me my money.
How much money you got?
Get
I
3.
got $3.
No!
You
That's
got-
mine.
Give him his stuff
Why you
tonight.
trying to take my money? It's not yours. It's
That's
mine.
Tonight, why did you play? He did win 320. How many you won?
2.
How many you won, Tamara?
20.
How much you won?
I'm 1.
How many you won, Travell?
What?
Still no.
You got
You got a booger coming out.
All right, I'll just make sure everybody gets something.
Can you do it again?
For participating, Travell, I'll give you something too. All right.
Yes.
Come on, Tamaya, don't get mad.
How you get more than me?
Why he-
All right, guys, thanks for watching.
Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.